Good morning, class. So today we are learning about something very, very exciting. And I've even brought my mystery box from home so we could learn about this. So this is very, very fun and it's very exciting because what we're learning about today is not only important for grade 2, but it's an important topic for your whole schooling career. So even when you go to grade 3, grade 4, all the way to grade 12, you're going to learn about this and you're going to build on what you know. Okay, so you have to understand in grade 2 to know grade 3 and grade 4 and all the way up. And even one day in the real world, when you're an adult and you have a working job, you're still going to need to know this. So it's a very important topic, but it's so much fun. Okay, so this part of what we're learning about is also a part of mathematics. Okay, so when you go into the bigger grades, you're also going to learn about this in maths, and you're going to do lots of problem solving and you're going to work with these a lot. Okay, so who can take a guess what we're learning about today? Okay, so we're learning about shapes. So inside my fancy mystery box, I have different shapes. So I'm going to put my hand in here and I'm going to pull out a shape and we're going to talk about it as a class. Okay, so if you know the shape, you can just put your hand up. If you don't know the shape, it's okay because we're going to speak about it as a class and we're going to all learn together. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes and stick my hand in here. I'm going to go. Okay, this shape. So this shape is a little bit tricky actually. I was hoping to pull out a different shape for the first shape. But this shape, does anyone know what the shape is called? Okay, this shape is a diamond. Okay, can anyone tell me what this shape looks like? Or what you've seen out in the real world that looks like this? Okay, this shape is the shape of a kite. Okay, this shape is a diamond. So, this is a bit of a tricky shape, but it's so much fun. Okay, so after I pull out my shape, I'm going to take some press stick and I'm going to stick my shape on the front of my mystery box. Okay, so this is shape number 1. Okay, next, let's go. Okay, so what shape is this? This is a very nice shape. Okay, this is a circle. Good. So this is a circle. Can everyone take their pointy finger and go circle, circle? Good. This shape is very important because even when you're writing and you're writing letters, you write most letters with a circle, like the letter A goes like this, or even a B. There's a circle in B. Okay, so this is a very important shape. So can anyone tell me anything that you see around you, or even that you know of in your head, that is the shape of a circle? Okay, so I've got some things that I brought to show you guys. So I'm going to stick my circle. Okay, so think of things like balls. Okay, so these are different to 2D shapes. We're not going to learn about these. These are called 3D shapes. So the important thing to know is just to look at the shape of this. So this is a ball, right? Even a soccer ball. Doesn't matter what size, it's still got a circle shape to it. Okay, even this ball that makes noise, it's still a circle shape. Okay, so these are things that we can see around us that are circular. Even a clock that tells you the time is a circle. Okay, good. Okay, next shape. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so who can tell me what shape this is? So this is a rectangle. Can everyone say rectangle? Good. So if I take my rectangle, so I pulled it out of my mystery box like this, but if I turn it like this, is it still a rectangle? Yes, it is. It's still a rectangle. Like this, like this, like this. It's all still a rectangle. Okay, so who can see a rectangle around you? Or even if you know of any rectangles inside your head that you can think of to tell me. Okay, so I have a rectangle. I have 2, 3, So first rectangle is a tissue box. Okay, so this again isn't a 2D shape, this is a 3D shape. But if you look at the shape of the front of here, this is a rectangle. Okay, even this, a milk carton or a milk cardboard box, this shape is a rectangle. So like this or like this is still a rectangular shape. Good. So that's good, we've done rectangle. And another one that you guys should think of when you think of a rectangle is a piece of paper or even a book, your workbook. Any book or piece of paper that you write on like this is also a rectangle. So you should all have your own rectangle because you each have a workbook. Okay, so that's good. Next one, let's go. Oh, okay, this one is fun. So, who can tell me the name of this shape? Okay, this is a triangle. So, this is exciting. Can anyone think of any triangles that you know of or that you can see? Because this is a tricky shape. We don't often see triangles around us. So when I think of a triangle, I think of Egypt. And the pyramids in Egypt, they look like this. Okay, they look like a triangle. Okay, so a triangle has 3 sharp pointy edges. Okay, and we're going to stick this one. Okay, we're almost done. 2 more shapes. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, this one. This is a square. Okay, how many pointy sides does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pointy sides. And this is different to a rectangle. Can you see the difference? So the difference between a rectangle and a square is the sides. So a square will have equal sides. So each of these sides of the shape are equal. They're the same. They're not different. Whereas a rectangle has a different side, right? So this one is different to this one. Can you see this is shorter and this is longer? So that's the difference between a rectangle and a square. Okay, so I'm going to stick my square. And then for a square, I brought this box. So can you see this box has a square shape? Okay, so they're all the same size. Can you see? So if I look here or here, they're all the same size. So this is a good square shape. And I think we are on our last shape. Where is it? Okay, so this shape is also a bit of a tricky shape. But can anyone tell me what this shape is called? So this is an oval. Can you say oval? Okay, so this shape is not very common. We don't see ovals around us very much. But you do get ovals, so it is an important shape to know. So again, is this an oval like this? And if I turn it, is it a different shape or is it still an oval? It's still an oval. Anywhere that I put this is still an oval. Okay, so I'm going to stick my oval over here. So we've got all our shapes on our mystery box like this. So let's see. If I look at a Pritt, a stick of glue, can anyone tell me what shape is the front part of this, the cap? What shape is this? It's a circle. Good. And if I take my laptop and I close it, what shape is this? What shape is my laptop? Who can tell me? It's a rectangle. Good. Because the sides are not equal. Can you see? This side is not equal to this side. They're different. They are different shapes. Good. Okay, so for the next part of the lesson, everyone needs to stand up because we're going to do a little dance. Okay, so I'm going to read you guys a poem about shapes. It's a shape poem. Okay, so who can tell me what shape is this piece of paper? This is a rectangle. Good. So I'm going to read the poem for you once, then we're going to learn it and do some dance moves. Okay, so is everyone ready? Okay, shape poems. I am Cindy Circle. Watch me turn round and round. You will learn I'm not straight and I don't bend. My outside edges never end. So this is a circle, Cindy circle. Okay, next one, Sammy square. Sammy square is my name. My four sides are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square. Good. Next one we have diamond. So, I am Danny Diamond. I am like a kite, but I'm really just a square whose corners are pulled tight. So, this is Danny Diamond. Okay. And then lastly for our little poem that we're doing is Ricky Rectangle. So, Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. Two are short and two are long. Count my sides, come along. Okay, so we have four of our shapes. Let's do them again. So we have, first shape we have in our poem is Cindy circle. So this is Cindy circle. Okay, let's stick there. Then we have Sammy square. So Sammy square. Okay. Then next we have Danny Diamond. Okay, Danny Diamond. And then our last shape in our poem, but not the last shape we're learning about, the last shape in our poem is Ricky Rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to put these up, and now we're going to learn the poem together, and we're going to do a dance to it, okay? Okay, so the first shape in our poem that we're going to do today is Cindy circle. Okay, so we're looking at the yellow circle. So let's all do this together. You guys are going to copy me, okay? I am Cindy circle. Watch me turn round and round. And you will learn I'm not straight and I don't bend. My outside edges never end. Okay, so let's do it again. I am Cindy circle. Watch me turn round and round. And you will learn I'm not straight, I don't bend, my outside edges never end. Good. Okay, next shape we're doing is Sammy square. So we're looking at the red square. Okay. Sammy square is my name. My four sides are just the same. So we're going to do this for four sides. Okay. Sammy square is my name. My four sides are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square. Okay, so Sammy square is my name. My four sides are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square. Good. Okay, so next one we're doing is Danny Diamond. So you're looking at the green diamond. Okay. I am Danny Diamond. I am like a kite, but I'm really just a square whose corners have been pulled tight. Okay, so we're going to do this for tight. And look at this. So can you see how long a diamond is? So we're going to go, corners are pulled tight, and we're going to stretch ourselves, okay, to make a diamond, the edge, the top and the bottom of a diamond. Okay. I am Danny Diamond. I am like a kite, but I'm really just a square whose corners are pulled tight. Good. And then the last one we're doing is Ricky Rectangle. So you're looking at that orange rectangle here. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. So we're going to say not the same. Two are short and two are long. Count my sides, come along. So let's do it together. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. Two are short, two are long. Count my sides, come along. Good. So let's do it all together now as one big poem. Okay. So, I am Cindy Circle. Watch me turn round and round. And you will learn I'm not straight. I don't bend, my outside edges never end. Good. Sammy Square is my name. My four sides are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square. Good. Then we're doing I am Danny Diamond. I am like a kite. But I'm really just a square whose corners have been pulled tight. Good. And last one, Ricky Rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. Two are short, two are long. Count my sides, come along. Okay, good job, guys. I hope you love this poem the same way I love this poem. I think it's so cute, and it just gives you guys a really fun exercise to do so you can learn all about the shapes and it helps you remember them, okay? So, next part of the lesson, and it's the last part of the lesson, but after we finish this, I think we should do the poem again so we can dance a little bit more, okay? So, next part of the lesson is just a worksheet. It's not a very long worksheet. There's only 6 shapes that you guys need to label. Okay, so I'm going to give you this worksheet. The first thing you need to do is write your name so I know whose worksheet it is, and then it says name the 2D shapes. Okay, so I know we did 6 shapes and maybe your head is like, how am I going to remember all of these shapes? So I've put a little box here for you guys with the shapes names. Okay, but the name of the shapes and the order of the shapes is not in the right order, okay? So the first one is a triangle. Is this first shape a triangle? No. Okay, so this box is just the shape names to help you so that if you maybe can't remember how to spell them or you're not sure how to spell them, but you know inside your head the word, this is going to help you, okay? So you're going to take the words from the box and you're going to put them into the correct shape. So you're going to take the word that you choose and you're just going to write it in this little box for me on the worksheet, okay? It shouldn't take very long because there's only 6 shapes that you guys need to label on here for me. And then if you are finished, please will you raise your hand. I'll come check your worksheet for you. And if you are finished and you want to hand in, I will give you guys another piece of paper, okay? And then for this piece of paper, it's just a blank piece of paper. What I want you guys to do is to pick your favorite shape from these 6 shapes that we've learnt about today and make me a drawing with it. Make it a picture of the shape, turn the shape into something. It's up to you. This is a fun activity just for you guys to draw me something that you liked or maybe something that you enjoyed from the lesson and you just want to put it down here, okay? So first step is to do your worksheet. And if you don't finish your worksheet in time to do this, it's okay. The main part that we need to finish today is this worksheet. This is more for fun if you finish in time. Okay, so I'm going to hand these out first, and then if you are finished, please put your hand up so I can come and check for you. And then if you are finished and you hand in, then I will give you a piece of paper. Does everyone understand? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so now that I have everyone's worksheets and everyone is finished, did you guys like this lesson? Was it fun? If it was fun, give me a thumbs up. Good. Okay, so I hope you guys all had fun like I did. What was your favorite part of the lesson? The poem. My favorite part was also the poem. I love this poem and we get to dance and it helps you remember everything, okay? So, I'm going to leave this Mushy box up so you guys can come see the shapes if you want to. But just to end off the lesson, please make sure you've cleaned up and I've got your worksheets. Please make sure they are here for me to mark. Okay, and then last thing, let's just do the poem one more time because it was fun. Okay, so shape poems. I am Cindy Circle. Watch me turn round and round, and you will learn I'm not straight. I don't bend. My outside edges never end. Sammy Square is my name. My 4 sides are just the same. Turn me around, I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square. I am Danny Diamond. I am like a kite. But I'm really just a square whose corners have been pulled tight. It's good. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My 4 sides are not the same. 2 are short, 2 are long. Count my sides, come along. Good job, everyone. Thank you, guys.